Previously on Phil Can Build? I don't know. But I know you dig these jammies.
Rub it in nice. I just like to rub it in.
We have to finish it. Now I just sit home in my pajamas and try to build shit. That's what happens when you don't go to school, kids. For the love of Christ, go to school.
Mattress is a little firm.
Don't do it yourself.
Action.
I just had an idea.
Action.
Ladies and gentlemen, Phil Verone here for Phil Can Build. I'm sick of building, all right? I'm just gonna say it right now. Last day of this bed. So I finally figured out a way. I had an aha moment yesterday. Because that's where the hassle was. We were trying to figure out how to make this look like it's all one pallet. I figured it out after much sobbing, probably about 5 or 6 days of procrastinating. And then I had an aha moment sitting in my old office chair on the drive by myself.
Man, I'm alone, baby. It's a lonely place. You're all alone.
Beach. Oh,
Manu, I'm Manu. Man, I'm lonely. Someone help me.
Yeah. By
It's
myself.
lonely.
By myself. By myself.
One is the loneliest number.
Here's the bed frame. We're almost done. It will be installed today, come rain or shine, because I'm sick of this damn thing. And just to anybody out there, this is the tip of the day. Don't do this. Just go to IKEA or buy wood. 3, 4, 8 2x4s. Boom. The bed had been done 2 weeks ago. This is day 80? I don't even know. It's day 14 on my porn stash though. We'll be shaving that today. That'll be an extra bonus video because I'm just sick of it already. So with that said, we'll be back after these words. What is that noise? Is that your AC? Phil does not do mechanical stuff. We have a monkey playing drums in the AC unit. Move it.
Let the car move a little bit. Roll forward a bit. Okay.
Oh, that's how you do it. That's how you get rid of the noises. You let it roll forward, everyone. Tip of the day. If you hear weird noises in your car, pay no attention, just roll it a bit. We're on our way to Lowe's now. We're gonna have a fine trip. I hate shopping. Pulling in the quarts of an inch. Full call. But I don't want them too thick now.
That's what she said.
Hello, lady.
Never.
Not ever. 6s will be nice. These are 1 1/4. They're real nice. And they're nice. The number 2s. Oh, I should have yelled 2. 245 pieces. Wow. That's more pieces than fucking Patsy Cline sang about. Because she fell to pieces. We are getting ready to porn stash. Luckily, these clippers are not loud. Welcome back, everyone. We are in the finishing stretch of this bed that has tormented me. That's how long this bed has taken. I went through a porn stash, the quarantine. We got a nice espresso. And we're going to put it on with the rag because we want to keep this kind of patina looking. We got pallets to use the old pallet look or the refurbished, except now we're painting it, which makes no sense. It looks like it's a pallet. It's going to be a faux looking thing, but it's not. Can you tell I'm over this one? Outside of the walking pneumonia and the shotgun diarrhea, I feel great. So we are going to put this coat of espresso stain on the platform. Welcome back to Phil Can Build. Yeah, I can build. What I'm gonna do with this, I made this faux front. And anywho, what I wanna do is make it kind of look like it was a pallet at some point. So I'm gonna put these nails in the pallets here to make it look like a real pallet. Now, tip of the day. I heard yesterday at Lowe's from a really, I don't know, annoying, glib of a dude. I asked him where the nails were. And he said, a nail's a nail, man. So I guess then I can just, you know, frame my house with my feet because they have nails on them. Because a nail's a nail. No, a nail is not a nail, asshole. So I was looking for framing nails, and he told me a nail is a nail. And then he says, yeah, but all my nails are in aisle 2. So now he's taking ownership of the nails. I'm not going to get into a rant, but you. Thanks for hiring an idiot that knows nothing to send customers in circles during the quarantine. You gotta stand 6 feet away from everyone. Then I'm trying to get nails, but a nail's a nail, so I don't know where the nails are because this idiot tells me that all of his nails are on aisle 2. So I went to his house last night. I said, where's aisle 2? You said, oh, your nails are here. I didn't go to his house. I'm going tonight. I'm asking for nails. I don't understand what his fucking problem was that he couldn't just show me where the fucking nails were. That's all I'm saying. He's lucky I didn't have a I'll be right back. I need to go down to the basement. I get some more paint. Thank you very much. Ah, I just threw my knee out.
That's what you get.
Ah, trying to do comedy.
Next time on Phil Can Build.
Wait. Phil can build? What is it?
Ernie from Sesame Street. Here we go. Hey, Bert.
We'll be back after this.